Happy birthday, Papa. All the best.
Happy birthday pa! Enjoy imong birthday! And we love you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa Inting. I wish you all the best in life and have a good health always and many more birthdays. I hopefully have a great celebration with your family, the whole family. Hopefully, all your brothers showing up. And your birthday sa hopefully si Papa may okay lang. Happy birthday again. It's cold here, it's winter time. Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye guys.
Happy birthday, Lolo! You are now 80. That's 4 times my age. But, happy birthday, Lolo. I hope mo abot pag 90, 100, and then makuha ni mo ang 100,000 nga ihatag sa government. Charot. And then, yeah, always be happy, Lolo. Then I remember, even though, sige kag-ingon nga dapat ko nag-doctor, but...
Happy birthday, Tatay Inting!
80th birthday. Go. Tay. Happy birthday nya. Manginaot ko nga patagan pa ka og taas pang ating nabuhi. Kung hantod gusto nimo basta ihatag lang sa Ginoo. Nya. Mainta nga may imong panglawas kay mao gina importante nato nga may atong panglawas. Ang buta sa Ginoo nga tagan kag maayong panglawas taas pang kinabuhi aron maguban ka sa imong tibok pamilya magmalipayon nya mao lang siguro to. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lulu. Happy birthday, Lulu. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lulu. Happy 80th birthday, Lulu Inting.
Happy 80th birthday, Lolo. Natong tagang kag mahing panglawas o taas pa na kinabuhi sa Ginoo.
Amping mo permente ni Lola Lulu. Happy birthday, Lulu.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo Inting! Wishing you more birthdays to come. Matagan pa kaudagan ang kabaskog ni Lord. Greetings from Lola Freda and Lolo Sim sa Hulaga family. And to the whole family ni Lolo. I love you!
First of all, I'd like to say thank you, Lord, for another year to my grandpa. Happy birthday, Lolo. I'm so blessed to have you as a grandpa. More birthdays to come to you, Lolo, and good health. Take care always, Lolo. I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Uncle! Hi, Uncle! Happy 80th birthday! Akong wish sa imo, Uncle, nga more birthdays to come. Labi na gyud sa imong health. Labi na gyud sa imong tibok pamilya, Uncle. God bless you po. Mwah!
Hi, Uncle! Happy 80th birthday! God bless you! Thanks God nga tagaan ka dako nga taas nga kinabuhi nakabot kag 80. Have a blessed birthday! Enjoy your day! Happy birthday again!